Welcome to Harris-Stowe. Your journey starts here.
Harris-Stowe State University's campus has 5 main buildings. One of them is the AT&T Library and Technology Resource Center. In addition to the diverse book and magazine section, the library contains a telecommunity room, Dr. George H. Hiram Seminar Room, a computer lab, and free printing is available to all HSSU students. The Emerson Performance Center is home to the Emerson Gymnasium, where we hold all of our home basketball games, volleyball games, and other events. Emerson Gym has exercise and workout equipment available for our sports teams and students to use. The Emerson Center also houses Bank of America Theater, where our plays, forums, panels, and other events take place. The William L. Clay Senior Early Childhood Development and Parenting Education Center doesn't just house classrooms, it also doubles as a daycare. Students who want to pursue a career in education take the majority of their classes in this building. The ECDC has one large literature hall where many social meetings, performances, banquets, and events are held. Harris-Stowe State University has 2 residential housing units on campus, Bosley and Gillespie Hall. Bosley Hall includes 200 beds for freshman students. All freshmen will enjoy suite-style facilities, which include a furnished living room, kitchen, dining area, and private bathrooms. Other building amenities include a cardio fitness room, laundry facility, mailboxes, community kitchen, 24-hour vending, and a public safety station, all located on the ground level.
Now I'm in a room in Gillespie Residence Hall. This is an example of how you can make one of these rooms your very own. In Gillespie Residence Hall, we house upperclassmen and athletes. You share a room with 3 other people, but you share a bathroom with 1 other person. The room comes equipped with free Wi-Fi and cable.
Gillespie Hall and Student Center provides a variety of amenities, including a game room with 2 large-screen TVs, a computer laboratory and study room, the official Harris-Stowe State University bookstore, and vending machines. This building also includes a wellness center where you can find the university's nurse and counselor. Last but certainly not least, Bosley Dining Hall is on the first floor of Bosley Residence Hall. The large cafeteria has multiple stations, including but not limited to a pasta station, salad station, pizza, and more. The dining hall is also used for student events, the monthly wing fling, and to meet and socialize with other students. For more information, go to www.hssu.edu.